In the fields of medical, healthcare, and beauty, KRECO-Power-Adaptor have won the trust of numerous engineers, purchasers, designers, have already become the best choice in the industry. KRECO provides intelligent power solutions. This is our 48 MPS series. So it has power maximum could up to 51 watts. It has a warm-on type, interchangeable plug type, also has desktop type. And it passed the IEC UL 60601 standard. It's 2 times MOPP level, VI level, and it passed the UL CBGS, EMC, FCC certification. High compatibility, and it could be your best choice if you are sourcing and looking for medical power adapter for your devices, not only medical healthcare but also beauty and some others. So you could contact us. Our company is very good. We have doing 20 years power supply businesses. We are FIMI sponsor. Thank you very much.